Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to install OBS software on Mac and record the screen. In my opinion, OBS is one of the best free open source software for streaming and screen recording. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I publish weekly tutorials on photography, editing and tech. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Option 1. Download OBS software. First visit obsproject.com and then click on the download menu. We have different download options. We can download it from here, from torrent or by using GitHub. But I would recommend you to download it directly from this website. Depending on the internet speed, it might take quite a while to download the file. When download is completed, install the software as you do other applications. Option 2. Make the change of security and privacy of your computer. To do that, go to System Preferences, then Security and Privacy. From there, select Screen Recording option. Click on the lock to make the changes and tick the box beside OBS. Option 3. Record the screen. Now we open the application. If the studio mode is selected, then you will find a window like this. It might look a bit confusing and complicated now. However, trust me, it is not that complicated to use. Now we quickly explore the settings option. First, we have the language option. Here we can select the language according to our preferences. Here we can change the theme of the software. And then the output option. These options are mainly useful to use when you stream the video. And then we have more options such as source alignment, snapping, projector, system tray, preview, importers, studio mode and multi-view. I would recommend you to go with default setting if you just want to record the screen, and you can check it later when you want to stream the video. And then we have stream option. Here we provide the stream hosting provider names and can connect the account. Now the output option. The first part is for streaming, so we don't need to worry about it now if you just want to record the screen. In the recording part, you can choose the file location, format and quality. In the audio section, keep it as it is unless you have any specific need to change the settings. In the video section, please make sure that the base resolution and output resolution are the same. We can add hotkeys under this menu, but I'm not changing anything now. We also keep the advanced setting as it is. Right, now we are ready to record the screen. Here we can add the scene and name it according to our preference. Now we add the media source. We still have to fix one more thing. As you can see in the preview section, we can't see the entire screen. To fix that, we right click on the preview area. First, make sure that preview scaling is selected to a scale to window, and then right click again, go to transform, and then select fit to screen. Now we are completely ready to record the screen. Just click on this record option to record and hit on stop to stop recording. Friends, I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.